Are you looking for a cover that's stylish and reliable? Check out the GatorTrax MX Electric. This is a premium retractable truck bed cover that can be opened and closed at the touch of a button. The cover glides into the canister on maintenance-free sealed ball bearings, and with a flush fit and matte black finish, it will look great on your truck. Release the button anywhere along the rail and the cover will automatically lock into place so you can ride with your bed partially covered. The canister features a bright LED cargo light that has an auto-off feature to save your battery. It's not just easy to use, it's also strong enough to support 500 pounds evenly distributed across the top, and when your tailgate's locked, you'll have the peace of mind knowing that your stuff is secure. The innovative design does a great job sheltering your cargo from the weather, and it channels excess water out of your bed through drain tubes. GatorTrax MX Electric is made in America and it comes with a limited lifetime warranty prorated after 3 years. Plus, it's backed by the Love It or Swap It Gator Guarantee. We ship it for free to the lower 48 states, so if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.